Ms. Collins, the envelope, please. So the winner of the Truck of the Year, and I can say truck now, is the Chevy Silverado 1500. Accepting for Chevrolet and General Motors, Jeff Luke, the Chief Executive Engineer on the Silverado.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's an honor to be here on behalf of the entire Silverado and General Motors team to accept this award.
All right. The North American Car of the Year, and the winner is the Stingray. Oh, good.
Click of shutters.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Double hitter, right?
All right.
You can keep this if you like.
Wow, it's been quite a year for us. I don't know how many people in here realize, but it was exactly 1 year ago today, 1/13/13, we introduced the Stingray to the world at the Russell Bazaar just up the road, and here we are exactly 1 day later. So I really want to thank the jurors for the North American Car of the Year for putting an unbelievable exclamation point on what's been just a fantastic year for us.
Thanks.
You have the car in the shot?